In front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner, right next to Password Manager. And make sure that Offer to Save Password option is enabled. Then log into one of your apps and select Add in Password Manager pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here. Then when you unlock those settings, to add any password you want, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now enter all of those informations, like website data, username, password, and some helpful notes. You can also click on Select App instead of entering your website and tap on the chosen one, in my case, Facebook. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!